Hello, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to do a quick video on how to install the Filteroo. Filteroo is super simple to install, but I just want to share it with you now so you just make sure you get everything right. So first things first is when you get the Filteroo, it's going to come in a nice big box, and you want to unload or take all the bits and pieces out of the box and just check them, make sure that they're looking nice and they have no cracks or damage in them. And if there's anything that's a problem at all, just let us know. We'll take your call and look after you, no problems at all. So once you've got them all out on the table like this, it's very simple. So the taps comes already installed. So the first step to installing the Filteroo is just to put the main tank onto the base, just like that. So that's how simple it is. The next step is to install the cartridge. So this here is the top tank, and the top tank is going to sit inside of the bottom tank. But before we install the top tank, we need to install the cartridge. So I've got both the cartridges here. His is the Ultra Ceram and here's the Doulton. They install exactly the same way. In this video I'm just going to install it with the Ultra Ceram. It's a fantastic cartridge. I'll just pull it out here right now and show it to you. Comes in a nice box because this is ceramic, very delicate, so you just want to treat this like an egg. So hold on 1 second, I'll just get it out of the box. Alright, so it comes in this bubble wrap here, and the reason why it does that obviously is to protect it, but the second reason is you want to use this to install it. You don't really want to touch the ceramic because you've got oils and stuff in your skin, and they'll block up the pores on the ceramic candle. So once you have the cartridge in the bubble wrap like this, the next step is to put the washer on. The washer needs to go on to the thread like this so that the washer sits in the top tank. So once you've got the washer on the thread like that, you want to pick up the top tank and you want to thread the thread, or you want to put the thread through the hole, and then you just want to tighten it up on the bottom of the top tank. It goes up really nice and easily. You spin it on. You just want to get it to the point where it's nice and tight by hand. It can't be loose because if any water gets around it, it's not going to be filtering the water properly. You just got to get it to the point where it's like, that's just tight enough. Cool. So this is what it will look like, just like this. So once that's done, the candle is now in the top tank. You put that inside of the bottom tank, just like that. Fits beautifully. And the last step to installing the Filteroo is after you put the water in it. So you'll fill up the top tank with water. That will then, the water will then flow through the top tank into the bottom tank. What I recommend is you just do a couple of flushes, probably about 2 or 3 flushes where you fill up the top tank, let the water go through, fill up the top tank, let the water go through, fill up the top tank, let the water go through, and then you can use that water for whatever you want. Just put it out in the garden or whatever you want to do. And then on the 4th time, just fill up the top tank and then you'll be able to drink that water. So you put the lid on just like this and your Filteroo, she's done. So just let us know if you have any questions or if we can help with anything. But the Filteroo is fairly simple, and you won't have any problems with it, but just let us know if you do have any problems and we'll help you out. Have a great day.